I got quite a few videos on YouTube now of lightning. The one for me and you hanging out with that lightning bolt.
Yeah.
There's another one of me and you hanging out. I think it was that same day during the daytime. But definitely.
Hey, look, just wait. This is going to be a very interesting year.
Season?
Yeah.
Summer? Yeah,
Very
I agree.
interesting year.
It wouldn't surprise me if we get some serious hurricanes in Florida this year, too.
Nah, that wouldn't be good because my boat, I lose my boat. But I think you're right. Actually, I've been thinking this myself. It's going to be a very interesting year.
That winter alone up north was hellacious.
It was amazing. Amazing.
Shit, it snowed in 10 inches in Denver a week or two ago. 2 Mondays ago. And
It
it's
was the coldest winter they had since 1930 something or whatever. And it was like very intense.
the Great Lakes froze over.
In New York, they don't have the snow. New York don't get snow like New York City. And they had tons of snow and shit. You know, they said it was amazing the way it worked out. Hey, you gotta drive her car all the way up so your father can park.
Well, shit.
Yeah? What time he's coming?
He's gonna be in town around midnight tonight, but he's gonna be in Holiday. He's not gonna come here until sometime tomorrow. Most likely he's gonna wanna. That was a badass lightning bolt.
Pick me up, okay? When he comes over.
Will do.
Oh, I appreciate that, man.
Most likely he's gonna wanna go out for a cocktail tomorrow.
Oh, that sounds good.
He's been in Michigan.
I love him, man. He's a good man.
Me too.
You and him.
Need one more lightning bolt. Just one more. Boom. There we go. One more badass lightning bolt. I gotta watch a hockey game. That'll work. Maybe one more. Lightning is addicting. One more badass lightning bolt. Just one.
Hey, tomorrow I want to take a shower at your house.
Our plumbing is not tip top, right?
Yeah, but I can do it, right?
Perhaps. What the hell is that noise? That was cool.